Hey guys, welcome to the 8th module of Revit architecture. In this module, we'll be learning about components, how to place components, and how to modify components. So, components are exactly like like TV, sofas, some furnitures, and this dining table, and these beds. All are part of components. So, to get components, you need to go on Architecture tab, Components, Place Components, and then you'll get types of components available here. So these are components which I have already placed in my file. So I have loaded these from load family option. So we get lot of options there. I'll show that option. Load family. And then again we need to go on libraries. Yeah. So these are the ready-made families which are available. So to get these, you need to get any furniture. You need to go on furniture here, and then you have different option different beds available here, and then we can edit those afterwards. Also, the dimension. First, you need to load them to your project. Different storage units, all kinds of storage units are available here, and this TV stand, TV, all kind of chairs, sofas are also available here. We can change the dimension and the material of them after we load them into the family. These are the furniture which is, then we have the lighting also, all type of lighting lamps available, both internal and external as well. So lighting that is good. These all are different types of components which can be loaded to the project. We have different doors and ducts also, which will be needed by some mechanical and electrical engineers, CAD engineers, as per their requirement. But as we are going only into structural and architecture, we will be not needing those lighting. I'll be loading some furniture here. Yeah, see different types of this one. So now you can see the preview here. Just click on open. And now you can see this has been loaded here. We have different dimensions available. So I'll be sticking to the same dimension here. Then you just need to select where you need to place it. So I'll be placing it here in one of these bedrooms. This you need to change the orientation. Just press bar. So this has been placed. Now let's go to the preview. See. Here you can see this. These has been placed. So we can change the dimension of these later. So once we place it or whenever needed. So for now I'll be selecting all the walls and hiding it so that it's here. So to select all, press SA, select all, hide category. Yeah, now you can see this clearly. Yeah, so this is how you place a component. Go to architecture tab here, then select a component, place a component, and then load a family, and then select the type of furniture or the components which you need, and then select it, and then just load the family. Select and then just open it, and then just place it wherever required.